Hi guys, welcome back to 375 Dance Studio. My name's Amanda and today we are going to be doing a random workout. So that means we are going to have a playlist. We are going to put it on shuffle and see what song and dance we get. Alrighty guys, it is our first dance. It is salsa. Get ready, we're going to do a basic step. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Forward, back, forward, back, forward, keep it up. We're gonna go into a side basic. Very good, back to that basic step, here we go. Side basic. Very good, we're gonna step and tap, here we go. Very good, get ready. Back to that basic, go. Side basic. Step and tap, here we go. And back to that basic. Get ready. We're gonna turn. We're gonna do a basic first, basic, then turn. Do it again. Basic and turn. Again, basic, turn. One more time. Back to the basic. And side. Step and tap. Ready? Basic, turn, and back to the basic. Get ready. Basic and Susie Q. Basic, cross. And again, basic, cross. Again, basic, and cross. Back to the basic, here we go. Side basic. Step and tap. Basic and turn. Susie Q. And cross, cross. Very good. Alrighty guys. Our next song is a cha-cha. Get ready. We're gonna start with a time step 2, 3. Cha-cha-cha. Time step. Cha-cha-cha. Time step. Cha-cha-cha. Get ready, basic step, bring it forward. And back. Back to that time step, here we go. And basic. Very good, we're gonna go New York. Cross, cha-cha-cha, cross. Keep it up. Back to that time step. Cha-cha-cha. And basic step. Very good. New York, here we go. And get ready. Hand to hand. Back. Cha-cha-cha. Back. Cha-cha-cha. Keep it up. Do it again. Back. And time step, go. Get ready. Basic step. Forward. Back. Forward. New York. And hand to hand. Get ready. Spot, turn. Cha-cha-cha, turn. And back to the time step, here we go. Basic step. New York. Hand to hand. Spot turn. Get ready, shoulder to shoulder. We go cha-cha-cha, forward, forward, back. And again, forward, 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 back, back. Alrighty, guys. Next song. Again, we got another salsa. Little bit faster than last time. So get ready. We're gonna start with that basic step. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Very good. Keep this up. All right, watch this. We do basic, angled Susie Q. Cross, cross. Do it again. Basic, cross, side, cross, and cross. Cross, side, do it again. Cross, side, cross, and cross. Do it again. One more time. And back to that basic. Very good. Get ready. We're gonna go into toe heel. Oh, here we go. Basic and toe heel together. Toe heel together. Toe heel together. Toe heel together. Toe heel. Boom. Do it again. And basic and quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, 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 slow. Again. And quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. And again. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, 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 slow. Back to that basic. Very good, guys. Get ready. Angled Susie Q basic. Basic. Cross, side, cross. Cross, side, cross. Again. Basic. Cross, side, cross. Cross, side, cross. Very good. Back to the basic. Get ready. Full basic, here we go. Basic, toe heel. Toe heel together. Toe heel together. Toe heel together. Toe heel together. Toe heel, basic. Do it again. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, 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 quick. Very good, guys. Alrighty. Our next dance, Samba. Get ready. Let's just bounce here for a little bit. We are gonna start with a basic step. We're gonna wait for that beat to drop. Here we go. 5, 6, right foot forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Keep going. Very good. Back to that bounce. Very good. We're gonna go into a whisk. Get ready. 5, 6, to the side and cross. Very good. Keep this up. Very good. Get ready. Back to that basic go. Basic. Whisk. Do that again. Basic and whisk. Basic. And whisk. Very good. Back to that bounce. Very good. Get ready. Next step, stationary samba walk. 5, 6, 7, we go. Together, left foot back. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, and right. Very good, guys. Alrighty, guys. We have another cha-cha. Get ready. Let's start where we left off from. So, we left off from a shoulder to shoulder. Let's start with that. Get ready? And 2, 3, cha-cha-cha. Forward. And back. Forward. Back. Again. And back. Very good. Get ready. This is the last one. On the spot. Get ready. 3 cha-chas. Here we go. Cha-cha-cha. 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 Open. Cha-cha-cha. Cha-cha-cha. Open. Cha-cha-cha. Open. Cha-cha-cha. Open. Cha-cha-cha. Very good. Let's take it back from the very beginning. Time step. Get ready. Basic step, here we go. And New York. Very good. Shoulder to, hand to hand. Forgot about that hand to hand. And then spot turn. All right, now we have that shoulder to shoulder. And forward, cha-cha-cha. Forward, cha-cha-cha. Back, cha-cha-cha, back. Alrighty, guys. We got another salsa again. Our playlist must love salsa today. Get ready. I want to go back and add those new steps that we learned back to those ones in the beginning. Get ready. Basic step. 6, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3. Then we go to the side. Then we did a step and tap. And then we did basic with a turn. Susie Q. Then an angled Susie Q. And then we did our toe heel. Here we go. Toe heel. And back to the beginning. Side basic go. Step and tap. Very good. Basic with a turn. Susie Q. Angled Susie Q. And then our toe heels. Get ready. Here we go. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, 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 quick. Back to the beginning. 5, 6, to the side. Step and tap. Get ready. Basic with a turn. Susie Q. Angled Susie Q. Here we go. Cross it. Very good. Toe heel. And 1. Here we go. Side. Step and tap. Basic with a turn. And Susie Q, get ready. Angled Susie Q. Very good. Toe heel, here we go. Back to the beginning. Very good. Alrighty guys, I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.